You can see right here that the water's really low. I'm not going to be able to back the trailer into the water as I normally would. I have the outboard off of my American 12, and I'm going to show you guys how I unload and load my boat onto land here. One of the benefits of having this Sundolphin here is it weighs about 100 pounds without anything loaded on it. I got the battery out, and with the trolling motor, you can see here, it's really easy to move. All right, I have everything loaded up. We're going to go ahead and get this in the water. I have a set of 2x6s here that I'm going to use as ramps, and then I just took my winch rope and hooked it up to the boat. I'm ready to winch it up on the trailer. I'm going to go ahead and remove the battery. Thanks for watching.